In this lesson, we'll address some problems that may appear while dipping an outer color stretching. And as an example, we'll take a butterfly pattern with 3 wings on a 21 cm high candle. We begin according to the color scheme for this pattern. The middle is dipped according to the usual standards. We wait for 30 seconds in the first layer to warm the candle up, and then we follow the scheme. Warm it up well, because if you don't, it will get cold quicker while carving, and the layers will start splitting from the candle. And if you warm it up too much, the shape will deform and edges will start melting. So we only attach the base to the first layer, trying to combine them. This is the purpose of warming the candle up. So the first color is white, dip and wipe. Then 2 red colors and a black one. Red again and black. Then 3 layers of full red color. Now look at the scheme and see that the next 2 lines are connected by a figure bracket. So we repeat this sequence 3 times. The first layer from this sequence is white. Then water. The next layer, orange plus red. Then we go back to the first line and dip in white layer in full. Then orange plus red again. That was the second repeating time, and then the third time. Orange and red finishes these repeating times. The next 3 layers are full white. Then we have one full white layer and yellow color on 3/4, as you can see in brackets. Then 2 white layers again. And the next layers are under the line in the scheme, so we divide the outer surface with extra colors, yellow and orange. And yellow is a bit higher, at 1/2, while orange is at 1/3 of the candle's length. Technically, you can complicate the whole scheme and add extra levels of color for a smoother stretching. I'm making a yellow layer and then an orange one lower. And then we add a full orange layer even lower. This is how the stretching becomes more natural. To make the bottom even darker, we can add more orange and a bit of red. This is how we made extra intermediate steps of color to make the color pattern more interesting. You can make color stretching in the same way on the whole candle or place it only at the bottom. It all depends on the pattern. Its halves should be accentuated by colors, and the borders between colors should later be hidden by petals like in coffee flower or bow patterns, where the border is always covered. So choose the color scheme according to the pattern you're going to carve and enjoy the result. This candle is ready and we can carve it afterwards.